was a guy one time broke down in Israel, real story, broke down, the car broke down, and ran out of gas. Ran out of gas. So at the time, there wasn't necessarily a gas station in every corner. You had to walk several miles to the closest gas station. And, you know, he had a little thing with him, bucket with him or whatever, to carry to get the gas. But as soon as he got there, he saw that on the sign, billboard, there's a big billboard on the gas station, 24/7, open 24/7. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And he decided, oh, Mr. Balabait, Mr. Owner, where's the nearest gas station? And the guy says, here. He goes, no, the different one. Where's a different gas station? Balabait didn't know what's wrong with this guy. I don't know, maybe trying to sell something. But who knows what the reasoning behind such a question is. He says, oh, it's 5 miles down the road. He goes, thank you, and he starts walking away. So one of the people that was filling up gas was well-to-do, and so, hey, sir, why'd you ask him such a question? Why are you walking? You want me to give you a ride? He goes, no, I'll go, it's okay. He goes, no, why? What's wrong? He goes, I can't fill gas up here. I can't do it. He goes, why not? What, they're too expensive? You need money? I have a few dollars to give you. He goes, you're not going to understand. You're not going to understand. He goes, no, try me. Why am I not going to understand? He goes, let me ask you something. If you went to a place, you went to a store, and on top of the billboard for the store says they're embarrassing your father. It's a sign cursing your father out, saying all types of nasty things against your father. Would you do business with them? He goes, of course I wouldn't do business. I killed them on the spot, burned the place. I burned the place in a minute. I burned the place. Who's doing that? He goes, unfortunately, this guy's doing it. He goes, where? He's looking. He doesn't know. He goes, look. He says he's open 24/7. He says he's open on Shabbat. My Father in heaven, HaShem Yitbarach, says you're not allowed to work on Shabbat. So he has not only is he open on Shabbat, he's advertising it to the world that he's a violator of Shabbat. He's advertising it to the world that he says, I don't believe that your father exists, HaShem Yirachem. You think I'm going to do business with such a person? Now this secular guy that's listening to this, he's, wow, never heard such a thing. Because, okay, fine, listen, I think you're a little magzim, a little exaggerating, but okay, fine, I'll give you a ride. He gives him a ride, drops him off, and says, listen, before you go, give me your number. In case I ever need to learn something or do something, I'll call you. They exchange phone numbers, and that's it. A few years pass. One day, this tzaddik gets a phone call on a Thursday morning on a, strange, really long number from a different country. Hello? Hey, Kvod Harav, how are you? No, I'm not Kvod Harav. Who's this? I'm not Kvod Harav. Oh, no, you remember me? I met you. Okay, yes, how can I help you? Because, listen, I need you to come to the local bank. He goes, which bank? The big banks that they have over there. I need you to come to the bank. I need you to meet me. It's in, I think it was in Tel Aviv. Why? Well, you need money, you lend you money? I don't really have much. I'm just an avrech, a simple avrech. I learned. He goes, no. I need you to come. Trust me, it's worth it. I need your help. Okay, said. The guy goes to the bank. As soon as he gets to the bank, goes, here, this is for you. And he gives him $250,000. And he says, what's this for? He says, my father just died. And he was very rich. And he lived in America. And he wrote on his will that I'm only allowed to take this money if I give maaser to someone that has real yirat shamayim. Someone that's really has yirat shamayim. And I asked the guy, what's yirat shamayim? So somebody that's afraid of God. He goes, oh, I know somebody that's afraid of God. He goes, who? Someone that's afraid of God. He's not even willing to get gas from a person that's violates Shabbat. You're the only one I know. Hashem pays cash. You just have to wait sometimes.